Hi, it's Hung here from Flow Brackets. Today we're here with this 370Z and we're going to install our brand new OEM plinth delete kit to get rid of this big, large, ugly box. All right, let's get started. So on a lot of these cars, they come with this large plastic box. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be removing it and replacing it with our brand new part that's going to give a lot smaller and cleaner look. So today we're going to be installing this JDM plate onto the car. So what we're going to have to do is remove this existing plate and use the corresponding bracket with the plate and get it onto our new part. All we have to do now is just remove the plate and take this box off. So all we got to do now is locate these holes with the factory ones, and then once we put that in, we just need to drill these 2 extra holes to put the screws in. All that's left is putting the plate onto the bracket. That's it. So now what we're going to be doing is installing the rear plate onto the car. We're going to be using our JDM mounting bracket. And we're just going to raise up the plate just a little bit, and we're going to start by taking this plate off. There you go, we've gone from this to this with our brand new OEM plinth delete kit. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching.